There will be no marks, no traces of tape glue, or no chipping of wall paint as well. Removing decorations, especially from your wall, when you stick some decor item on your wall using a tape, a sellotape, or some of them even use glue gun like me. Some of them use the double-sided thin tapes or the fatter one. For all this, when we think about removing, we are a bit concerned about the wall, because that could end up chipping some part or some small area of our wall, which we do not want, because of which we avoid sticking decor items to our wall by using a double-sided tape, sellotape, or glue. I'll show you today a simple way to get rid of these tape marks from your wall without chipping off that area. So let's enjoy this hack together. So this piece of decoration is stuck by using glue, the one from the glue gun. And as you can see, the decor is a little bit spoiled, but if I rip it off, the glue will still be stuck to the wall. So what I'll have to do is, with my nails, I'll have to slowly work my way through the edges of this glue gun and start removing. Now, nails work the best for removing this glue. Otherwise, the other option would be by using something pointed, but still I prefer using nails, because in that way you'll come to know that the sides of the glue are getting well removed from the wall. So I'll just run this through fast. You'll have to work your way very slowly, but here I am going to show it on a fast mode. And then once you're done, this is how your wall will look: clear, no traces of wall paint on the glue as well. So that's how you remove glue gun stuck decor. Now, tape stains are quite a common thing that we face. So tape marks are very easy to remove. Using a blow dryer on heat mode, heat the area where the tape is stuck on the wall. This will take some time, you'll need patience, but trust me, it works like magic. You'll not find any stain or any chipping of the wall. See, now once it's heated, you'll have to work your way slowly through removing the tape, and there, it's completely gone. This is how it will look once the tape is removed completely from your wall. There will be no marks, no traces of tape glue, or no chipping of wall paint as well. So I'll work my way simultaneously through this whole decor in the same way. Either if it's quite loose enough, you can try using just by slowly pulling the tape. If not, you'll have to use a blow dryer. Now here, this again is stuck with the help of glue from the glue gun. So what I'll do is, first I will loosen it up. For loosening it up, you'll have to use the blow dryer on heat mode again and let it loosen up so that you can pass your finger through. I'm just checking if it's hot enough. Now once it's hot enough, you can work your way through removing the decor. Remember one thing, for this plastic kind of decor, as long as you get a chance to remove the decor safely, that's important. The glue, even if it's stuck to the wall, I have already shown how you can work your way through removing the glue. Now the decor is coming off very easily, it's leaving off from the glue, so need not worry. You all can let the decor come off, and the glue you all can remove at the later point. See, now in the same way how I had shown you earlier, I'll use my nails from the edges, sides, working my way slowly like you would remove a sticker or something, and remove this glue from the wall. I have already shown how it's done, so I'll not waste your time. Now this decor is stuck using double-sided flat tape. So what I'll again do is I'll use a blow dryer on heat mode, and as you can see, it's already released one part. Now there's still one more tape that is remaining on top. For that also I will heat up on all sides so it loosens up. The stickiness, the adhesive loosens up, and now slowly I'll work my way with the heat of the dryer to remove it off. And there it should come out anytime now. Yes, it's out. And see the wall, no traces of chipping, nothing. It's clean, neatly gone. Friends, I hope you all have liked the hack. I know after Christmas or after certain function or occasion that has taken place, removing the decoration is the most tedious task, and I sincerely hope this video will come in use for all those who are having a problem with removing tape from their wall. Even for those of y'all who have not seen my video on how to remove the double-sided thick tape, I have shown a video. I will attach the link on top so y'all can refer to that video. And for those who are using sellotapes or glue by the help of glue gun, y'all can use this hack what I have shown today. And do let me know in the comments section if the experience was good, worth it or not. I will certainly wait for your comments. For all of those who have any requests or suggestions, please do let me know as well in the comment section, or y'all can send us an email. All those of y'all who are new visitors to my channel, it's a sincere request to please click on the subscribe button and the bell notification icon to get updates on all my upcoming videos. That's all on How Hacks. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.